when you have to actively cover your mouth or turn to the side or duck your head or what have you. All these things you do to compensate for the fact that you're not comfortable with how your smile looks. You, you don't realize how big a part of your life that is until it gets taken away. I had what they call advanced periodontal disease, to the point where it was basically to the point where my teeth were coming out one way or another. So it was either get the procedure or wait for them to all fall on their own. And they were just not pretty. I had a full replacement, basically full extraction, prosthetic on the bottom, dentures on top. The denture is the simple denture, just kind of slides in. The prosthetic is actually attached to 4 implants in my lower jaw. The lower is a snap-on, basically 4 posts that snap into 4 mounts within the lower prosthetic. Could not be simpler. I mean, mine are tight enough I can brush them like normal teeth if I like, or I can remove them and soak them overnight when I go to bed. As far as length of the procedure, it's a pretty simple, painless process. The extraction was 1 day, not even a day, like maybe 5 hours. Which afterwards I received healing dentures. So basically, I went home with a new smile within day 1. The sedation was something that I was pretty uncomfortable with going in, but they made the process very simple and easy and explained it. I'm a bartender by profession, so I'm literally in people's faces all day long. So to have that issue was tough. And now that I no longer have that issue, it's a huge weight lifted off my shoulders. As well as, health issues due to the fact that, the advanced periodontal disease doesn't just affect your mouth, it also affects the rest of your body. And when you've alleviated that, you actually physically feel better, aside from mentally feeling better. Probably social life would be the biggest improvement in my life as far as before and after. I mean, let's be honest. A smile is the first thing someone sees when they interact with you. And women especially, a good smile is good, a bad smile is really bad. Why I ended up actually going with Albright was the people. They were so incredibly helpful in not only getting the financing processed, but also in making me feel comfortable with the procedure and letting me know that this was something that they could help me with, and that also I would be happy with the results. One of the things that made me hesitant into going into the process was the fear of pain, and then the fear of possibly being put under anesthesia, and neither of which caused any issues, or nothing was as bad as I built it up in my head. And the finished product looks actually a lot better than I ever thought it would, and it made a bigger difference in my life than I really thought it would. Would I recommend Albright Dental to someone else? I actually already have. My roommate wanted to do Invisalign, so I recommended her to here, and they took great care of her. It's a fantastic practice, fantastic people. How happy am I with my procedure? On a scale of 1 to 10, 11 and a half. But definitely as far as comfort level, as far as just the change in my life, feeling healthier, I'm absolutely 100% happy with it.